Want to turn your song into a professional AI music video in just a few minutes? In this How to Use Freebeat AI tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upload your music, generate beat synced visuals, add lyrics, and export a stunning music video without any video editing skills. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the Freebeat AI website and click sign up. Create your free account using Google or your email, then log in to access the dashboard. Freebeat works directly in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Once you're inside, click Create Music Video or open the Agent workspace. Upload your MP3 file, or simply paste a music link from Suno, Udio, YouTube, SoundCloud, or TikTok. Freebeat automatically analyzes your song's BPM, rhythm, and overall structure before planning the video. Now choose your video mode. You can create a story, video, stage performance, singing music video, or abstract visualizer depending on your style. Then select the aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram. You can also choose visual styles, characters, and creative direction before generating the video. Next, click Generate. Freebeat AI automatically builds a storyboard, creates scenes, synchronizes every visual with the beat, and generates a complete music video. Once it's finished, preview the result. If you don't like a scene, regenerate only that section, or adjust the storyboard instead of starting from scratch. To make your video even better, enable the lyrics option. Freebeat automatically creates synchronized lyric captions with customizable styles, making your video look much more professional. After you're happy with the result, but you know for starts, export the video in 720p or 1080p and upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Now let's talk about pricing. Freebeat offers a free plan so you can test the platform before upgrading. Paid plans provide more credits, faster rendering, premium features, and watermark-free exports for creators who publish content regularly. If this How to Use Freebeat AI tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like to learn next. Based on my testing and research, Freebeat AI is one of the easiest platforms for turning songs into beat-synced AI music videos, especially for beginners.